What's going on, guys? Gabe with Review Dork. Now let's recap what happened today. AMC, we opened up at 42.79. We had some boom boom candles that brought us all the way up to 44.78. And then you had your swing traders, day traders taking their profit. Throughout the day, you see bearish sentiment. Does this mean that the bears have taken over? Absolutely not. Now, this is a squeeze play, and I figured I'd satisfy this because there are a lot of you who say, well, the chart's meaningless. Well, I'm going to show you guys where the chart can be meaningful. But if we look at Vertex data, we see short interest up, and we see cost to borrow at 8.29%. Utilization has pretty much remained unchanged. And we have the current short interest of 17.04%. Reason for being absolutely bullish is when we enter the 2-hour timeline, we enter the 4-hour daily, and we enter the daily. Guys, a 4-year-old cannot draw a better flag than this. What are we seeing here? We're seeing massive consolidation over several trading days spanning at or about 3 weeks. And this is great. That is a show of strength. Obviously, we see support at or about the $33, $34 area. Fine. Now, we have this wedge here, and it looks like AMC has broke to the upside. Now, if you've been following any of my trading videos, you guys know, and I consistently preach this, that support and resistance are one and the same. When you're below the line, it acts as resistance. When you're above the line, it acts as support. And this is what we're waiting for AMC to do. Now, when we look at the daily, we could see that we are in a buying trend. We do see that the RSI is retracing a little bit, but we want to see the strength stay above 50. This is our bull flag. The sentiment, CinemaCon, Hollywood, actors, actresses speaking out and saying, we need theaters for our business model. This is how we make a living. This is how we make money. Streaming is not going to be the death of the theaters, the cinema. So that supports a bullish thesis for those who trade on the news, trade on fundamentals, that type of thing. Those people are going to go ahead and throw their money into AMC and create the volume that we absolutely need, because today the volume was rather thin at only 108 million, which is a far cry from the average of 169 million. Guys, we have support here, so what's going to happen? If we look at the daily, what we can infer from this chart is that AMC retraces back down to the $33 levels, which will then encourage massive buying, and then we swing up to the upside. That's one narrative. The other narrative is we get extremely bullish within the next couple of trading days, and we just break upwards. Anyways, that is probably the only two scenarios that you can get out of this. And as for the short thesis, the shorts have had their thesis for the past 8 months, and the apes have offered their rebuttal time and time again. And in fact, the apes are winning. They're winning consistently. Yes, we take our losses and some battles here, but I think overall, we win the war. I want you guys to always keep things into perspective. As we look back, massive consolidation for over 52 trading days. We saw AMC stuck between the $8 and $12 channel before we had our breakout. This here, guys, this is easy. You just buy, you hold, and you buy more. The shorts haven't covered movies. I mean, after all, Applejacks, how many views does Spider-Man get?
It broke the record for most views in 24 hours with 355 million views.
That is insane. Again, all of these other narratives go ahead and add to the bigger picture and shows health in the industry. And for the naysayers that say charts don't matter, charts have a much more immediate effect on trader sentiment than any other DD you could ever find. And there, I said it. Yes, there's great DD out there, but the chart is a painting of emotions, guys. I've said this before, and it's looking like the sentiment is in fact bullish. And this has a more immediate real world implication than anything we could find elsewhere, outside of absolutely horrible news coming out of AMC themselves. So guys, we buy, we hold, and we buy some more. This is Gabe with the AMC recap. I'm signing out. See you tomorrow. Peace.